Good morning guys, it's Michael from Auto Artisan Group. Here we are with the Audi TT-RS. Customers just bought it in this morning in a beautiful Nardo Grey, really popular colour with the Audis. You have to wait a really long time to get this colour as well, it's that good. So what we're doing is putting PPF over the top of the vehicle. On the darker coloured vehicles, really important, especially when they're brand new, just because the PPF film has this self-healing top coat, which I've spoken about before. But for these cars in the dark colours, it works perfectly because once out in the sun, those swirl marks that you get even from washing the vehicle disappears just like that, and it just will continue to do that through the life of the film. Obviously the other benefits with the stone chip protection, also the UV inhibitors too, so make sure that looks after that clear coat on your paint. Now the whole car is getting covered, which I highly recommend if it's dark colour. You just want to cover up every spot. What we are doing also is black on the badges, so we've taken badges off the front, taken badges off the rear. Fuel cap's going to go gloss black too, so while it's here, we thought we'll give it the whole customization look as well. Even though they're little elements, it's just really good to be able to, provide accents and personalize that, the car a little bit further. So we've got the badges right here. We're going to be heading off to the paint shop right now, get those done, and then we'll whack them back on, and you'll see the process of the PPF. We're midway through this Audi TT-RS. The clear film has been placed on the front bar, the bonnet, a few other areas of the vehicle. I think the doors are the only ones remaining, as well as the rear bar. So obviously you can't see the film. That is the result that we really want. So the idea is that you just don't see it, the color shows through, it provides a really high gloss. Obviously, we prepare the trims and we make sure that we use tools like the masking tape and templates just to make sure that there's no scratching of the vehicle, the paint's really taken care of before the film goes on top. We're about to get the parts that have been painted gloss black as well, so we'll make sure that we fit those up at the end of the day today. And I'll say that the guys will be able to push this one out this afternoon and ready for pickup tomorrow morning. So hopefully the customer will be really happy. I think he'll just see his brand new vehicle, and look, the protection is there, so he's definitely safe on the roads and can enjoy the vehicle. So wait till the end. Here we have it guys, the Audi TT-RS completed with its clear wrap, all protected. We've added the gloss black badges here, and we've added the gloss black fuel cap as well, painted, so nothing leaves the shop really unmodified. So they usually bring the vehicle in, we do the protective coating, but we also like to add some accents if the customer requests it. Yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe to our videos. Look, there's been a lot of interest around the how to wrap your bonnet video from the Auto Artisan Academy. We are looking to release a few videos in the future as well, so look, make sure that you let us know as to what you want to see, whether it's a roof wrap, whether it's a door wrap, handles, even as to how the clear film functions, all sorts of bits and pieces. So look, make sure you do ask those questions, get involved, and we'll be sure to release a lot more content in the future.